Hello and welcome to Back to School Night for Geometry. I really hate that we're not able to have this session in person. I really look at this as a great opportunity to catch up with some parents where I've had your sons and daughters in the past, and also a great opportunity to meet you new parents who haven't had a son or daughter come through my classroom over the years. Geometry is one of my favorite classes to teach because it really hits at the heart of what math is about, and that's problem solving, logical reasoning, and then going that step further and really proving our conclusions that we come up with through the problem-solving process. And that's going to be a big focus of the course from beginning to end, is that idea of come up with an idea, what we think might be true, narrow it down so that we're pretty confident it's true, and then really use formal mathematics to prove that it has to be true in all situations. One of the main places, since we're in a hybrid setting that we're going to be running the class from, is we're going to be running it from OneNote Notebook in Microsoft Teams. This is a one-stop shop for the students. Everything they need is going to be in here. I would encourage you to sit down with them and take a look at our syllabus. It's pretty straightforward, and I don't want to use our time today just reading through that with you. I just want to show you some of the tools that they're going to see this year when we're exploring the math topics. Each chapter, they're going to have a chapter section, and that chapter section is going to start with a calendar for the whole chapter. One thing that I want you to notice in here is I want you to notice that whether they are remote or in person, the same information is being conveyed. Did this for one main reason. I want the students to be prepared and understand that there are going to be times when the expectation is for them to watch a video and learn, and times when there's going to be in-class support for them to learn. Because I think we're all a little bit nervous that at some point we may have to go full remote this year, and I don't want to walk into that potential situation with the students really unsure how to progress on their own through material. So I felt like this method it will be easy for students to follow the progression. It will be easier for them to adjust if we do have to make a change to our schedule. And in all, I think it's going to keep the kids kind of more cohesive and on the same page. So in each section, so if we look at the 15th, that's 1.5a day notes. We can go in and we can go to section 1.5, and you'll notice in there's a notes section, a homework section, and a video section. So if a student is working at home, they can go to the video section, and the video section is basically going to have quick snippets of me working through the notes for that day and helping them through the vocabulary, helping them through the problem-solving strategies with that particular type of problem. In class, we'll take the same note sets and we'll work through those together as a group, and in a more traditional way, a lot of questions with the students, a lot of having the students kind of giving the information that they already know. So those will be there. Homework will be here also. And those videos are available to all students, whether they're remote that day or in person. It's a great second check. Even if they were in class and they want another explanation, it's a great place to go. Typically those videos are going to be ones that I put together, but occasionally the videos will be ones that I pull from Khan Academy or other sources that are out there. So this is really going to be driving our class, and I think it's going to provide a nice platform for them to work from. Also a way so that if they are out for an extended period of time this year, they have one place they can go and get all the resources, and really just following the calendar. If you're on quarantine or if you're out for an extended period of time, you can just go ahead and follow the remote days and watch the video tutorials and work through the lessons, and then reach out to me with questions. I always want the students to know, and I want you as parents to know, I am always available to help the kids out. This is going to be a unique year. There's going to be some ups and downs, and I'm sure there'll be some surprise changes to our schedule here and there throughout the year. And as those things come up, we're going to work together to get through them. But throughout it all, I want you to know that I'm a phone call or an email away. Always willing to answer a question on math, always willing to answer a question about what's going on in class. So please don't hesitate to reach out if anything comes up. Again, hopefully we have an opportunity to meet together at some point this year. I really look forward to working with your kids. They've been doing a great job so far. We're really off to a great start, so hope to see you all soon. Thank you very much. Bye.